In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI-generated app using Bool. The first thing you'll need to do is create an account at bool.com. The account is free and it will allow you to store any of the apps that you generate on the Bool website. So you can house them there and access them whenever you log into your account. Once you log in, it will take you to your homepage. The homepage has a big white bubble at the top, which will allow you to type in your prompt. And below that is where you'll access any of the apps, or what they like to call Bools, that you create on the website. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and paste a prompt for an app, a teacher planning app that I thought of, where the teacher can, or the user I should say, can upload information about a lesson, the date, course, and it will save those lessons so that the user can add new ones and view existing ones. So now I'm going to go ahead and see what they generate here. What you'll notice is that the screen is broken up into 3 parts. The left-hand side is going to be your conversation with the AI. So you saw my prompt in that blue bubble. Then here is the AI's plan that they're using to generate my app. So it kind of tells me what it's doing as it's working. Usually they do take a little longer than normal chatbots to generate apps because, well, they're building full apps and not just a text response. All right, but then it will generate all of the code for your app, and then it will show you what the app will look like at the end. So if you know how to code, or you have some basic understanding of the different coding languages, you actually can work with the AI to build the app. You can edit their code however you'd want to if you wanted to make changes to it. However, you don't have to. In fact, if you don't even want to see it, you can hide it by clicking this button here. And then you'll just have your AI conversation and then the app. All right, so here is my app that it made. It gives me a spot to build a lesson. Let's see, I'm going to say our lesson is digital literacy. I'm going to say a date. I'm just going to put a random date in here. The course is computer science. And then I'll put online safety. Okay, so then I'll go ahead and add that lesson. And then look, now it's stored that lesson on my lesson planner. Okay, so that is a very simple app. What's nice too is if I don't like this app, I can make changes over here. Bool will give me some suggestions on things that I can add to the app. I'm just going to say, let's add a delete button. So when I finish a lesson, I can delete it off my list. Button. Oh, the user can remove a lesson. All right, let's see what it does. And then as it's thinking, it will automatically update the output here. So I can see what that application is that it adds to my app. All right, so now I see here, I now have a delete button. So when I want to remove a lesson, I can click delete and it will remove it from my list. So a nice simple lesson planner app. If I want to see what that app looks like on its own outside of the workspace, I can click this box in the upper right-hand corner and it'll show me what the app looks like. I can also go back here, and when I'm happy with the app and I want to share it out so that other people can use it, I can click share this Bool, and it will generate a link that other people can use to access my app. And that is a basic rundown of how to use Bool.